Struggling with accuracy because of unstable scope mounts? Don't worry. Today I've got you covered with the 5 best long-range scope mounts that can completely transform your shooting experience. From rock-solid stability to easy adjustments, I'll walk you through what makes each mount stand out. And yes, I'll be upfront about the pros and cons. Whether you're a hunter or a precision shooter, these picks will help you lock in your target with confidence. Let's get into it. Number 1. Overall best pick. Vortex Optics Sport Cantilever Rifle Scope Mounts. The Vortex Optics Sport Cantilever Rifle Scope Mount is a reliable option for anyone needing a sturdy and precise mount. The build quality is excellent, lightweight yet durable, with a solid hold that keeps your scope in place even after repeated shots. Its cantilever design allows for proper eye relief, which is a big plus when setting up long-range optics. Another pro is how easy it is to install on a Picatinny rail without any fuss. The only downside is that it's not the cheapest option, but the lifetime warranty and dependable performance make it worth the investment for serious shooters. A smart choice for accuracy and consistency. Number 2. My second best pick. Vortex Optics Precision Matched Rifle Scope. The Vortex Optics Precision Matched Rifle Scope rings are built for shooters who value stability and accuracy. Made from high-quality aluminum, they provide a rock-solid grip that holds your scope in perfect alignment, even under heavy recoil. One of the biggest advantages is their precision machining. Everything lines up flawlessly, which translates into consistent accuracy at long ranges. Installation is straightforward, and once tightened, they don't shift or loosen easily. On the downside, they are more expensive compared to standard rings, but the superior quality and reliability justify the cost. If you want dependable performance and long-term durability, these rings are an excellent investment. Number 3. My third best pick. Burris PRP Secure Reliable Durable. The Burris PRP scope mounting system is a solid choice for anyone looking for reliability and versatility in their setup. The full ring and base design provide a secure hold, keeping your scope firmly in place even under heavy recoil. A big plus is the included Picatinny and smooth ring tops, giving you flexibility for mounting additional accessories. The build quality feels durable, and installation is straightforward for most users. On the downside, it does add a bit of extra weight compared to simpler mounts, which might not suit those looking for an ultralight setup. Overall, it's a dependable, feature-packed option for serious shooters. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Vortex Optics Pro Viper Cantilever Rifle Scopes Mounts. The Vortex Optics Pro Extended Viper Cantilever Mount is an excellent option for anyone who needs extra eye relief and rock-solid stability for their rifle scope. Its extended design allows for perfect scope placement, which really helps with comfort and accuracy during long-range shooting. The mount is well machined from high-quality materials, giving it a durable feel and ensuring your optics stay zeroed even under recoil. Another plus is how easily it installs on a standard Picatinny rail, making adjustments hassle-free. The only drawback is that it comes at a higher price point compared to some basic mounts, but the reliability and precision make it worth the investment. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Vortex Optics Precision Extended Rifle Scope Mount. The Vortex Optics Precision Extended Cantilever Mount is a top-notch choice for shooters who demand stability and accuracy. Its extended cantilever design makes it easy to achieve proper eye relief, especially with long-range optics, and the precision machining ensures your scope stays locked in place under heavy recoil. The build quality feels premium, with a rugged yet lightweight design that doesn't add unnecessary bulk to your rifle. Installation is straightforward, and once tightened, it holds zero flawlessly. The one downside is the price. It's more expensive than standard mounts, but the level of performance, durability, and peace of mind it delivers make it a solid investment for serious shooters. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite long-range scope mount? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.